welcome back to another Pro Pets video. Today we have the chickens. Now they had to be penned in because they were pooing everywhere and they went on the decking, so it stunk. So we have had to pen them in, but don't worry, they've still got most of the garden. Still got a ton of green grass, don't you all? Yes, you do. Looking at you, Nugget. I'm probably thinking, Nugget, why on earth would you call one Nugget? It's a sweet little name. Okay, we know Nugget, but you gotta yeah, I can't do this one. And sorry. Oh, there you go. You still get to see a chicken. There's a chicken. I gotta try and do this. I am very sorry, guys, though. And bear in mind, we didn't actually want to pin them in. This was all Daddy. Wasn't it, Nugget? Don't be mad at me. Be mad at Daddy. That wasn't me. Okay? I wasn't the one who ruined your fun. You see, so with these things, you gotta push them in, and then you gotta take the thing off. And then, you can see, we're in. Now, okay, so then to do this, you just do that stuff. So yeah, now we're in with the chickens. So, as you can see, it's their little coop. Now we let them out all day when we're like in and that. What do you want to? So then that's their food bit. Water. All the chicken stuff is made in there. Well, not made. And then they got that thing to perch on. Little log to stand on. I think they quite like it. You Speckles. To be fair, Pearl's probably laid an egg out. So, you look in here. Yeah. I'll go get that when I come back in. Let's finish this video up. So, got Speckles of basically the road runner. Because she's extremely fast. She's extremely fast. You got Charlie, the black one. She's lovely, she is. Pearl, the white one, who sometimes will get a bit frisky. Nugget, the brown hen. You're a good little egg layer, Nugget. However, Nugget is mean to Pearl. So that basically rounds up the chickens. Got a little coop there. Yeah. So they do have most of the garden. But they're just not allowed on the deck in because they kept pooing. And well, yeah. Kept pooing, didn't you? You're a road runner. Yeah. So that's all I have to say about the chickens. So, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this little video with the chickens. Oh, look at you all. And yeah, see you guys later. Bye. Peace.